In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the IP address in Cloudflare. This process is quite straightforward, especially when you're moving to a new server and need to update your domain's IP address to ensure everything runs smoothly. We'll be walking through a manual update of your DNS records via the Cloudflare dashboard, a reliable method that ensures your domain directs to the correct server. To start, you'll need to log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your domains. Go ahead and select the domain for which you want to change the IP address. This takes you to the overview page for that specific domain, where various management options are available. Next, you'll want to navigate to the DNS settings. On the dashboard, find the menu option labeled DNS and click on it. This brings you to the DNS management section, where you can see all the DNS records associated with your domain. What you're looking for here are the records labeled either A for IPv4 or AAAA for IPv6, depending on the type of IP address you're updating. Now, browse through your DNS records list to locate the specific A or AAAA record that corresponds to the server IP you're updating. Remember, the A record is linked to your IPv4 addresses, whereas the AAA record deals with IPv6. Once you've identified the correct record, you'll see an option to edit associated with it. Click Edit. In the Edit window, you'll notice a field labeled Content. This is where your current IP address is displayed. Carefully delete the old IP address from this field and replace it with the new IP address for your server. Double-check that the new IP address is entered correctly. Incorrect entries can lead to your domain not resolving as expected, which could cause downtime for your website. After you've entered the new IP address, it's time to save your changes. Within the Edit window, there should be a Save or Update button. Click this to finalize the change. Cloudflare's dashboard is designed to be quite user-friendly, so these options should be easily accessible. Once saved, your changes will begin to propagate. Typically, changes made within Cloudflare's system update within seconds. However, it's important to note that full DNS updates can take up to 24 hours globally. During this time, some users might still reach your site at the old IP address until the change fully propagates around the world. And there you have it, a simple way to update your IP address in Cloudflare. This method is reliable and generally quick, ensuring a smooth transition when switching servers. If you encounter any delays, patience is key, and rest assured that the changes will eventually reflect worldwide. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.